Welcome to another exciting episode of the Audible Talents Weekly videos. Today we're going to be talking about 10 things that will get you hired on Upwork or any freelancing platform for that matter. If you're coming to this channel for the first time, please like, subscribe, and share our content. It's worth it. Join this family and always keep in touch with us as we discuss interesting things that are happening in the freelancing landscape and beyond. The first thing that we want to talk about is getting the right skill. So things are changing fast, and the coming of AI has started eroding some fields, some niches. So do your research to find out the best in-demand skill before you start selling your skill online. So go to Upwork and check out the in-demand skills in different niches. Top 10 skills in tech, marketing, design. So immediately you do that, start creating a profile that would actually rank by adding all the keywords of the skills that you have selected. Ensure that whenever you are setting up your Upwork account, that you always pay attention to all the places where your keywords will rank, like your profile overview and your profile title. Include as much keyword as possible. The first two lines of your project overview are some of the things that rank on your profile whenever clients are searching for you. So for instance, if you are into market research, in the first two lines of your project overview, there should be statements about market research at least 2 or 3 times there. And of course, market research in your overview. If you're a graphic designer, do the same. Let graphic design or design appear mostly in the first 2 lines of your profile overview. That is what is called optimization. When you apply for jobs, it's important for you to stay online, because sometimes if the client does not see that green little indicator that you are online, they might not message you. They might just message someone else with that green icon. It means that you are available. So stay online and always keep your profile in the availability mood so that clients would know that you are open for a job. Now, one of the things that would even take you through rising talent is that you show up every day, at least for 3 weeks after signing up on Upwork, and you actually apply for jobs. And when you are given this badge sets you apart as one of the best starters. And clients always look at the badge and see that there's a difference between somebody who is starting and somebody who is actually starting very well. Don't apply for jobs with unverified payments. Any client that wants to really hire will first of all verify their payment method. So look out for clients who have actually verified their payment methods. Check whether they are ready to hire. Some clients are not ready to hire, they're just there to test the waters. And when you apply to such kind of jobs, you actually lose your connects along the way. And I don't think Upwork, as at this time, returns connects that are expended on jobs that no actions were taken on for the past 30 days. Upwork actually gives data that shows you the hiring habits of clients. Now, when you open a client's profile, after looking at the proposal, you scroll down, you will see how many percent hire rate a client has. Some have 85%, some have 25%. Now, the higher the rate of a client's hiring percentage, the more likely they are to hire you or close their jobs. Now, one thing I would actually ask you not to do, in order not to waste your connect in 2024, is to minimize the way you apply to jobs sent out by clients with very, very low hire rates, because many clients are ghosting freelancers right now. So that statistic alone will help you to know what jobs that you should actually apply for. The most important thing is to apply for a job where a client would actually take action immediately, and you know where you stand and then move on. So don't apply for jobs that will keep your connect and there are no activities on those jobs. Let me also bring to your notice that one of the major reasons why freelancers don't succeed is the lack power supply. Those times that clients are supposed to reach out to you, you are not there because there is no power. Now, there is a solution for you. What you see on your screen is an inverter system that we can recommend to you. This can charge your laptop for up to 5 times in a day. And when it's full, it can last for up to 2 days. It is cost effective compared to the category, and it's actually made with lithium battery. Now, if you are interested in this, you can actually reach us out in the comment section and somebody will reach out to you to give you more details. So one of the things that will land you jobs on Upwork is proposals. Now, applying for jobs on Upwork through proposal is very important, in the sense that clients can now come and check you out and actually see you and know whether they want to hire you. Sending jobs through proposals are becoming more expensive. There was a time it was absolutely free. Up to 40 connects were given to freelancers for free to apply for jobs back in 2016. But now things are getting more expensive, that the least connect required to actually apply for job is 8 connects. Now let's take, for instance, let's say that you are going to be applying for 3 jobs in a day. This means that you will spend 24 connects, and if you multiply that by 7 days, it will give you 168 connects. It means that you spent 168 connects to apply for 21 jobs in 7 days. Now, this is quite expensive, but you have to now think about whether applying for 21 jobs in a week or applying for 10 jobs. So think about which that you can afford. But whichever way, you need to keep applying. You need to keep making sure that you send out proposals so that clients will know that you actually exist. One way to improve or increase the chances of you being hired on Upwork is to add human and artificial intelligence to your interaction with your clients and even to your job delivery. Now, AI is known to enhance, analyze, add some kind of sophistication to your work. We're not asking you to allow AI to do all the job. Now, from hiring to job execution, AI can actually assist you along the way. Now, AI is not taking the jobs. It's actually people who know how to use AI properly. They're the ones taking all the jobs in the niches. Find a way to include AI in whatever you are doing. One of the good news is that Upwork has incorporated AI into the job application process. Now, if you go to Upwork and you want to apply for a job, you find a place where immediately you start writing your proposal, there will be suggestions just right on top by an AI telling you the things that you can include to give you a better chance on winning the job. Upwork's project catalog is like a different stream of income for you on the same platform. Now, there are so many people who don't go to the proposal section. They just focus on the project catalog, and their project catalogs is always purchased all the time. I'm a living testimony to that, and I would like you to do the same. Sign up on Upwork, create a project catalog for yourself, and send those project catalogs out through posting. And if your project catalog is well streamlined and is in demand, clients will definitely hire you, and you start getting more and more often of such project catalogs. Now, you can even promote your project catalogs, that when clients reach out to you, instead of them to send you a contract, you send them a project catalog to purchase. Now, the more purchases you get on your project catalog, the more times Upwork actually suggests your project catalog and takes it to the top. Start promoting your project catalog so that in the long run, you will not have to keep applying for jobs all the time. Your project catalog will just be there and anybody can purchase it anytime. Now, very few freelancers are actually utilizing the opportunity here. Upwork actually opened up another feature about last year or last 2 years that allows you to connect with people in your niche. Look for freelancers in your niche who are already at the top trees, create a relationship with them, ask them to send you tasks that they might have for you to complete. Now, this widened the opportunity for you in the sense that a freelancer who is also a client can hire you to do their tasks, because many of them at the top, they get jobs that they can't finish when it's in the rush hour. So some of them, they outsource those jobs. So when you connect with such kind of freelancers, they might want to work with you and actually give you tasks to do. So take that opportunity, reach out to them and tell them about your availability in order to assist them with the tasks that they have. Many of them who need help are going to reach out to you, and that might just be your first hire on Upwork. Finally, for clients to hire you, they need to see proof that you have done something before. They need to see that you have experience. That is why Upwork has given you the ability to bring in your off-platform clients to give you reviews in forms of testimonials on your account. So you don't have any excuse. Click on the tab and learn how to get off-platform clients to give you testimonials on your Upwork profile. Now, we have come actually to the end of the 10 proven steps that will actually get you jobs faster than any other thing on Upwork. Now, if you find time, write down these things and implement them in your day-to-day activity. Now, set the ones that you need to set up, promote the ones that you need to promote, and stay on point with this 10 agenda. And I promise you that you'll be coming back here for a testimony. My name is Franklin. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this video, or even give us a thumbs up to encourage us. See you later. Cheers.